You know how I just keep rolling out experiments and keep taking steps, and remember how Spirit Team like said connect all the dots, and I keep connecting dots, and like, oh my God, there's a whole other progression to do. So I was out walking my dog this morning, Peanut. We were out doing our thing. I was kind of just loosely thinking about different things, and then this like vision came in. I know it was spirit world. It was like, go the next step. So let me fill you in on what we're going to do. So I'll share with you what we're going to do. Then I'm going to go do it and then come back and tell you about it, because it's kind of like a 1-2 thing. So what Spirit World wants me to do is they want me to open up energy space, and they want me to pull some cards, and then they also want me to do some color mediumship. So color mediumship with money mediumship. And I really feel like this is where they wanted me eventually to land. Like all those other pieces and parts that I've been doing with you, like piece here, part there, piece here, we've been putting it together. Like, hasn't it been fun to do the channel with Spirit Team Galactic Federation of Light, with the art going, and have that whole meditative experience going, kind of like that color wash healing thing going? Like, that's been really great. Well, now they're like, go into the deep end of the pool, Dana, like, do your tarot pull, do your oracle card pull for this week for the money stuff, and then paint it out. We're going to give you a mediumship way to paint it out and give people a healing experience with it. So like, this is everything, folks. This is mediumship and somatic money and color healing, and it's all coming together in one spot. So I'm going to go do this, and then I'm going to come back and tell you about how it happened, how it went. I will be back soon to share with you what happened. All right. Oh my God. Okay, so I'm third eye blown out right now. So this is me coming back to report to you on the color mediumship healing that I just did with my people. Archangel Gabriel showed up. We pulled a couple of cards. So the cards that got pulled on this, the assemblage point card in Somatic Money, as well as the card about like the most important place to be present in your money is the most taboo space, which is the most uncomfortable space. So these two cards got pulled. And there was a theme about management versus control. So you got that going on. And get this. Remember how earlier in the week, this free video where we did the color therapy with the pink and the blue and the throat chakra and the root chakra, Archangel Gabriel took us into a deeper therapy dive with blue and pink. And like who knew that simple things could be so powerful? And so what I will tell you is this, is that if you pick up this product, there's all kinds of information we talked about channeled from Archangel Gabriel as far as color therapy, programming color therapy concerning control issues and management and presence in your core and that uncomfortable money space, and the color therapy you can do to help anchor yourself into your core, like program, literally using color, form, and movement with form to do cellular code training to recode your body into a better, newer space with it. Like, oh my God, like right now, I am blown away. I hope you pick this up. I hope you go do this. Just remember, this right here is the deeper dive of the free video that we did earlier in the week. They're totally connected. And so remember how Spirit Realm a while ago, they were basically like, Dana, we need you to connect the dots. Connecting of the dots is continuing to a space of like what we just did here is like mind blown what we did here. I just learned some major stuff about color therapy and healing and motion and cellular code and just some really beautiful things in the middle of like a lot of different stuff going on the planet right now. So keep your eyes out for the next round of the free public version and then the deeper dive private version of color mediumship, cellular code healing kind of stuff with spirit realm. All right. So that's what I've got for you for now. Thank you for being here and make sure you keep walking forward to meet those miracles along the way. Mwah. I will see you in my next video.